2005 Dodge Crew Cab SLT Cummins diesel. This is a mint Florida truck. The interior looks like it was never sat in. No rips on the interior. The dash in perfect condition. Ice cold air conditioning. The paint on this truck is immaculate. Shines like a mirror. It's a Dodge Ram 2500. It's a 5.9 liter diesel, which is the best diesel engine you can buy. Transmission shifts smoothly. Motor runs 100% perfect. No blow by. I can ship this truck to your door for $400 to $500. Pick up the phone and call me right now to buy this Cummins diesel short bed crew cab 2500. It's just a beautiful truck, guys. It doesn't need anything. The tires still have about 90% or better left on it. Plenty of tread on the tires. It's got a new bed liner. Immaculate paint. Very nice, clean Florida rust-free truck with ice cold AC. Pick up the phone, guys, and give me a call to buy this truck. 954-937-8271. Visit bigboydiesels.com. bigboydiesels.com for more diesel trucks for sale. This here is a turnkey truck that doesn't need anything. Pick up the phone and let's make a deal. 954-937-8271. You can fly in and drive this baby home. Florida rust-free truck. Or I could ship it to you for $400 or $500 to your door. Interior is almost new. No wear and tear on it. Dash is not cracked. It only has 162,000 Florida highway miles. It's got plenty of power. So pick up the phone and give me a call to buy this Cummins diesel. 954-937-8271. Mechanically sound truck. And we have many other trucks like this for sale. Visit bigboydiesels.com. Pick up the phone if you want to buy this truck and call me now. Thank you. My name is Alex.